Hey everybody, Justin here with Doing Things channel. Today we are going to mount some AUXMART foot pegs so that you can have some place to put your foot when you have the door off. Going to be a short video because it's a pretty easy install. We got the foot pegs and a 17mm locking nut, and that's it. So all you got to do is they fit in the lower hinge, slide it in, get the nut started with the 17mm and tighten it down. And that's it. Now you got a place when you're cruising with your doors off to put your feet. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.